Are you tired of getting your hands greasy each time you reach into the bag? Are you tired of washing dishes? Don't you hate this? It's just no fun. Wash your greasy bowl. Continue to wash it. Don't stop. It's not quite clean. Pain, huh? Now this will work with most microwave popcorn. Of course, you're going to need scissors, as shown, microwave, and your favorite microwave popcorn. Prepare the popcorn as you would per the manufacturer's instructions, as shown here. Now here's where the fun comes in. As you see, when I removed the bag from the microwave, I turned it upside down. I like to make a snip in the corner so I can slide the blade of the scissors in. You continue to cut around the base of the foil inside of the bag to create your opening. You have now just completed your disposable microwave popcorn ball. Isn't that neat? Make sure you tell all of your friends.